Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change caption color in Windows 10. So Windows allow you to set a caption background color and Windows color in addition to the text. The rule here is to provide high contrast color to assist user with visual impairments. So how you can do that? For this you need to click on this settings gear on the bottom of the screen. Click on that and click on the ease of access. And on the left side you will see that closed caption. You need to click on that, and under the closed caption you need to click on this arrow and by change it to the, for example, yellow. And in the preview you can see that the caption color has been yellow, and if you want to make it red it will be red, and you can try one of your favorite color. And if you want to make it default, then again click on this arrow and make it default to the white. So these settings only apply to apps that use the standard Windows captioning platform. This includes built-in apps like movies and TVs, photos, and the Microsoft Edge browser. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.